Hello, this is Sanat Thakur. So today I'm going to talk about how to become channel partner. Uh, Starting a channel partner business is in real estate can be a great way to leverage the booming property market without directly investing in real estate yourself. Channel partners act as intermediaries between real estate developers and potential buyers, earning commissions by facilitating property sales. So here is a roadmap to get you started. So first thing you need to do is understand the real estate market and channel partner model. So research the market. Study the local real estate market to understand property demand, pricing trends, and popular neighborhoods. And learn the channel partner role. As a channel partner, your job is to connect buyers with properties and facilitate transactions. You will need strong sales skills and knowledge of legal procedures in real estate. Second is build connections with developers. They're sourcing managers. So identify key developers. Find reputable real estate developers in your area who frequently launch new projects. Pitch your services. Approach these developers and express your intent to work as a channel partner. Highlight any sales experience or marketing skills you bring to the table. Negotiate commission rates. So generally the channel partners earn commissions between 1 and 3% on property sales. Clarify the commission structure and payment terms upfront. बाद में झंझट नहीं चाहिए. मेन तो घोड़ा घास से दोस्ती करेगा खाएगा क्या. So set up a business framework, legal setup. So register your business as per your state's legal requirement like RERA and all. This may involve forming a sole proprietorship, partnership or private limited company, licensing and compliance. Ensure you comply with any licensing requirements, especially if you plan to handle buyer listing or if you are working on behalf of developers. Create a website. A professional online presence can help attract buyers, showcase the properties you represent, your services, and provide contact information. Fourth, make some marketing strategy to attract buyers. Lead generation system, I can say. So digital marketing, use social media, Google ads, and email campaigns to reach potential buyer. Content marketing, write informative blogs or create video about the local real estate market, property buying tips, and project highlights. Events and webinars, host open houses, property tours, and webinars to introduce buyers to the projects you represent. Collaborate with local influencers. Engage with local influencers to expand your reach, especially in the real estate and lifestyle niches. So next is build a strong network. Network with real estate agents. Real estate agents often have potential buyers but may not have direct access to new projects. Partnering with agents can lead to more leads. Connect with financial institutions. Banks and financial institutions can be a valuable partners, especially when buyers need home loans. Even you can get some commission if you provide home loan services. Join real estate forums and associations. Being part of real estate groups help you to stay updated on market trends and connect with other professionals. Sixth is use CRM software to manage leads. Invest in CRM system, a customer relationship management. CRM का जो full form of CRM is. So tool helps you keep track of leads, follow-up schedules, and client interactions. Automate follow-ups. Use CRM features to automate email follow-ups and send reminders and keep clients engaged throughout the buying process. Seventh is deliver excellent customer service. Be transparent. Provide clear information on project specification, pricing, and timelines to build trust. Offer property tours and virtual showing. Offer guided tours and virtual showing for potential buyers who can't visit in person. Post sale support. Assist clients with post sale formalities like paperwork, financing, and property registration. As excellent service can lead to referral. Ask them for referrals if your customer is satisfied. Track performance and scale. Monitor key metrics. Track metrics like lead to sell, conversion rate, revenue per project, and average commission earned. Grow your portfolio. Once established, expand, representing more developers, higher value properties, or new locations. Consider hiring as your business grows. Bring on a team to handle sales, marketing, and client support, freeing you up to focus on partnerships and strategy. By following these steps and focusing on relationship building, strong marketing, and customer satisfaction, you can build a successful channel partner business in real estate in India. All the best. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe and comment below. Thank you.